Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Hilton Honors account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start earning points at Hilton hotels worldwide. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to hiltonhonors.com or hilton.com. Click on Sign in the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your Hilton Honors member number or email address and password to log into your account. Step 3. After logging in, you'll see your Hilton Honors dashboard. Look for any verification notifications or prompts about completing your account setup. Step 4. Click on your name or profile icon in the top right corner and select My Account or Profile Settings. Step 5. Review your account information to ensure all details are accurate, including your name, email address, and mailing address. Step 6. If your email is not verified, you'll see a notification prompting you to verify it. Click on Verify Email or Resend Verification Email. Step 7. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Hilton Honors with a subject line like Please verify your email address. Step 8. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you to the Hilton Honors website and automatically verify your email address. Step 9. For additional account security, consider adding and verifying your phone number. This helps protect your account and makes it easier to recover if you forget your password. Step 10. Navigate to the Communication Preferences section and verify that your contact information is correct so you can receive important account notifications and promotional offers. Step 11. Complete your profile by adding personal details such as your date of birth, address, and travel preferences. A complete profile helps Hilton personalize your experience. Step 12. Once verification is complete, you'll have full access to your Hilton Honors account and can start booking stays, earning points, and redeeming rewards at Hilton properties worldwide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.